going to tell you a little more about stand-up comedy, just to give you an idea too, because people really don't know the history of stand-up. You might be interested in that. Does anyone have any idea who was the first stand-up comedian? Comedians. So anyway, there you go. You have a little history of stand-up comedy. You have part of the program that my wife says is my favorite part, because I told you about me. I never believed that, but she always tells me that. Anyway, I do want to kind of turn this over. Like I said, this is a comedy workshop. If you have a story, you have an act. So basically, I'm done talking. I'm going to have some of you come up here to be stand-up comedians. Now, that handout you have there, if you could kind of pass that to someone at your table, I'll come around and collect it, because I'm going to use those. Now, I don't want anyone to be nervous about this. It's just for fun. It's just for laughs. Matter of fact, we're going to pretend we're on The Tonight Show. And I'm going to be the host. And not one of these kids. I'm not going to be Jay Leno or Jimmy Fallon. I'm going to be Johnny Carson. Okay. Everybody remembers Johnny Carson, right? Sure. I'm going to have you come up and do your act on The Tonight Show. Again, that's what we're doing. That's all we're doing here. Just come up and have some fun. Stand-up comedians come up and they entertain. If you have a story, you have an act. I have another volunteer I want to bring up. I'm looking, because again, if you put yes, that means you volunteered. You didn't know that, did you? You didn't know. I neglected to tell you that on purpose. Okay, I would like our next guest to